Are you like me? Do you sneeze a lot? Well, if so, be careful. A sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet, and it can launch thousands of droplets into the air. It's like a biological explosion. So if you feel a sneeze coming on, cover your mouth and maybe even wear a mask because, well, a sneeze is a powerful thing. It can carry bacteria and viruses that make you sick. And if you're standing next to someone who sneezes a lot, you might want to move away. Give me a high five. If you learned something new today, follow for more updates.